Hello, I'm a knitaholic and I adore knitting. But as a knitter, I have many problems, like I don't know how to create difficult and interesting knitting designs and patterns. And I don't have enough time to knit because of my busy lifestyle. And I can't find anything interesting and catchy in knitting magazines. That's why. And do you know what are the biggest problems like for girls? Yeah, we have nothing to wear, and it's a huge disaster, and it's a total tragedy when we meet a girl with the same outfit as ours at a party. But we have a solution. It is 3D knitting machine with software, hardware, and design possibilities. Et voila! Everything you ever wanted in less than 1 hour. Because of these technologies, Blender and Lectural 3D knitting machine, which was introduced this year. And we are targeting for the 2% of women population. And we are creating this brand and tool for the Y generation, which is, has a creed, so to say, today I am what I create. And we believe that our customer knows the best, and the brand is cool when our customer thinks so. And so to say, when you have a happy sheep, you get a higher quality of wool, almost like cashmere. And StitchFatale has its unique DNA and appeal to creative people. And because we want to bring different cultures together and embrace diversity and creative spirits. And our business model encompasses design and modeling, upselling and clothing. And we are raising this amount of money for 1.5 years with a break-even point of 500 customers. And our channels are Etsy, Pinterest, and Knitters communities. And I have a dream that one day I could use iPad as I use now a piece of paper for my knitting patterns. Our team have 4 developers, 1 designer, and me. We hope that is our exit strategy. And we are doing this because, as my favorite writer once said, when you create everything around, by creating yourself, you create everything around you. Sounds difficult. Maybe you should start with a sweater.
Fabulous. Thank you very much. You are completely out of time.
Yeah.
So cool brand, like it, catchy. Now, are you basically working only with one platform? In other words, is it just that sewing machine or that knitting machine, or is it available to any machine?
It is available, for the moment, it is available only for 3D knitting machine called Electra, which was introduced this year on March.
And what is the price of that machine?
It's approximately more than 100,000 euros.
How much?
100,000 euros.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is serious knitting. We got a question on this end.
What is scalability of the project with the production machines, and what is the productivity, how you see that in the future?
We consider this project as a highly scalable and addressable market because it is related with open source and 3D manufacturing. Because Blender is based on open source, and this software we are going to use is also because of, based on Blender.
Sweaters can it print per hour? How much sweaters per day, per hour?
We have asked this question, but we still don't have an answer. But this machine is created for industry, so we think that it's more than enough for us.
And how much does each sweater cost?
We don't know yet because we don't know the capabilities of this machine.
So we have a couple of people here. So what basically are you doing? So what is it, the platform? Are you providing the machine? What's the product?
No, basically we are providing now what we are going to provide 2 years, it's going to be a platform. And we hope that in a decade to come, everybody could use this kind of device at home.
Have you seen products from Lectra, and what's the quality and what's the reaction of customers?
Actually, it's the first this kind of product in industry, with a possibility to change your outfit and.
Sorry, no. Have you seen the output from the 3D knitter? What is the output like? What is the quality of the product, and what do customers think of that?
I'm sorry, could you please repeat? I don't know.
How good is the product that comes out of the Electra knitting machine? Is it really nice quality stuff? Would you want to wear it?
Yeah, you're talking about quality. Yeah, quality is as I read, it's the best quality we can have nowadays.
All right.